Hello beautiful people, I'm Sanya and today I've got a cute and chic heat plus heatless hairstyle you need to try. Whether you love styling tools or prefer a gentler, heat-free look, we've got you covered. But first, make sure to subscribe to our Be Beautiful channel and ring the bell icon for all the latest notifications. First, I'm going to show you a super cute heatless hairstyle. But before we get into the styling, I'm prepping my hair with the TRESemmé Anti-Frizz Hair Serum. This serum is a multitasking wonder. It tackles knots and brings out a beautiful shine and smoothens away frizz. So first I'm going to start off by tying a ponytail. Now I'm going to divide my ponytail into two halves. And then I'm going to create a 3-strand braid. Now I'm going to create the same 3-strand braid on the other section. Once done, I'm just going to loosen them up. And then I'm going to take out some face framing tendrils. And you're done. And now let me show you the second hairstyle. This is going to be with heat, hence I'm going to start off by applying the TRESemmé Heat Protection Spray. This spray not only safeguards my tresses from heat damage, but also provides long-lasting hold and shine while effectively controlling frizz. While the heat protectant absorbs into my hair, I'm going to do a middle part and then create two half ponytails. After that, I'm going to go ahead and create some curls for added texture and volume. And then all you have to do is accessorize with these tiny pearl pins. And you're done. I hope you liked this cute and chic heat plus heatless hairstyle. Give it a try. It's perfect for a Valentine's Day look too. It's time for me to sign off, but remember, stay beautiful with Be Beautiful. Subscribe to our channel, like and share this video, and don't forget to ring the bell icon for future notifications. Bye!